Then මේ marination එක cook කරලා ගන්න. This marination will be first we will cook. So what I do, I add the oil, corn oil. Then I add the garlic paste.
Ahora necesitan piper.
Garlic paste mostly with the oil. When it gets cooked, we have to add the now the ginger and garlic together, both are braising with the oil. Flow. It must be sufficient oil to cook all this together. Because as much as you cook in the oil, then only that will be more tasty, because the oil gets infused the garlic and ginger flavor. Now you can feel that once I cook this ginger garlic together, when it gets cooked with the oil, the aroma will come out. Once the aroma come out, I know now it is already halfway cooked. So I'm adding the star anise. This is one of the herbs. I'm adding the star anise for this. You can cook with the star anise. So the ginger garlic and the star anise together. Then I use the chili powder. You need chili powder. Once you add the chili powder, you have to mix well. Once it's mixed well together, then you add the soy sauce. Because you have to be very careful when you're adding soya, not to add too much salt, because the soya sauce is almost salty. Therefore, you have to be careful to see the exact balance of it. So now it is getting cooked well. All these three, once it gets cooked, then I add the pickle. Pickle should be there. Once the pickle also add, you have to keep on boil it off. Then the tamarind juice because this is the acid what I am adding for this. So the sourness is there, sweet is there, and hot is there. All are equal, and the fat also there. But additionally, I want to add sesame oil once it's finished, finishing point. Because the base is sesame oil, the sesame oil must be nicely. We have to few drops of sesame oil once it cooks. Still, it didn't come into the boiling point. Have to wait until it comes to boiling point. Then see how the thickness. So the corn flour is ready. If it is, the thickness is not enough to make more thicker. This is the same thing what we use for teriyaki, to make a teriyaki or yakitori, the same marination. Yakitori is the same thing, only adding a piece of leek. You just steam the leek stem, the white part, cut it into like cubes, and you add into the skewer. It's like the same kebab. So in the middle it comes. Now it's already in the boiling point. We have to add the fat, that is the sesame oil. Once adding the sesame oil, you can see the thickness. If the thickness is not enough, then we have to go for corn flour thickness. Because when you are making a marination, you can't make a small quantity because you have to get boil and also you can't make in a small portion. So now the corn flour. Corn flour to add a little bit to get the thickness. Once if I add the corn flour to beat faster, get the correct thickness. Yes. This is the end of this